We're coming to you from sunny Las Vegas, Nevada here at World of Concrete 2022. I'm here with Chase from Hilti. We're going to talk about the new TE2000. Chase is going to go over this new tool and how this is definitely a game changer in the industry.
So yeah, the 2022 is just like our quarter tool. What we're trying to showcase what you can do from a performance perspective with battery tools. So our 2000 here gives the same power as our quarter version of the tool. And so it's, pretty fantastic. We've even gone ahead and actually improved this AVR. The AVR is an active vibration reduction, which means when you're on a jackhammer all day, it's shaking and beats you up. This actually takes more of that away, so you're more comfortable by the end of the day.
Okay, yeah, I like that a lot. And then why don't you go over the vacuum a little bit with us too?
So we do have the VC14022, and this is a 140 CFM vac. It's again on that Neuron platform, that battery platform. And what's cool is if you can actually wear this one as a backpack so you're braking when you gotta be dustless on a job site. We've got Bluetooth chips, so you can turn the vacuum on and off just by pushing this button here. The tool's go, it's a fantastic tool, one of my favorites. I'm a little partial, but it's a fun tool to play with and use.
This is a huge game changer. Guys, if you have any questions, you're wanting to line up a demo, need pricing, get a hold of me or anyone at American Construction Supply. We'll get you taken care of.